Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Olivier here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. For those of you that have come across this channel for the first time, a very warm welcome to you. Now, it is absolutely freezing outside, but I wanted to shoot this quick video just to give you guys a little update. As you know, it is the 1st of March and I have set myself this target. For those of you that are following me will know this. I've set myself the target of generating £3,000 in 31 days. Now, the clock starts now, it's the 1st of March. And what I've already been doing, if you've followed me on my last video, is that I've registered to quite a few freelancing websites, which means that I'm now offering my services as a freelancer at cost. So I am a trainer and I've gone to these various websites, and if you want to know what those websites are, make sure you check out my last video because I give the names and the links of those websites. But now that's one way of generating income online, but the other way that I'm also going to incorporate is buying and selling online. So what I'll do is I will shoot another video in terms of like what that actually looks like, but that is what I'm going to be concentrating on doing today. So I'm going to be using websites like eBay and Amazon. So I will be using that, and that's something that I've got a background in anyway, but that's one of the ways that's going to help me generate some income online as well. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you check out my next video because I'll go into a bit more details in terms of how I exactly do that. And like I said, as soon as I earn any money, as in when it happens in real time, I will post that and shoot a video so that you guys have transparency of exactly how much I'm earning day by day. Now, I've broken it down to hit 3K in 31 days. I need to be achieving at least £91 per day. Massive target, but I'm gonna try freaking hard to make sure I hit it. So continue following me, guys. If you love this video, then make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe also. And if you want to keep up to date with all the videos that I put out and ensure that I'm putting high, massive value content, make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications icon, so that you'll receive that every time I upload a video. So guys, gonna leave it there. You have a great day and I'll catch you on my next video. Take care.